Hi, this is Kibo. So I'm gonna do an unboxing of my SD Strike Gundam, the Striker weapon system. So as you see, it's about $16. Got it from Hobby Town. It's a local shop. Yeah, and I hate these little sticker thingies. I'll try to get off there, but. So here's the box. There's an image of all the components that make up the Striker weapon system, and then this is supposed to be an image of the Ale Strike, the Sword Strike, and the Launcher Strike. But unfortunately, you can't see. This is number 259 of the series, and it's part of the. This says G Generation Neo. It's from the Gundam Seed series, and this is the Strike Gundam with all the weapons. So you see he's got his launcher system, his sword, and the Ale Strike on the back. And then if you want the Sky Grasper, you can build it all into one, which is something I like, because I don't like all these different components just scattered around. But at least I can make it into one Sky Grasper. Sorry, my nose is suddenly like stuffing up. Okay, so opening up. Here are two runners. Has the, I think it's kind of metallic sticker, and you got the green, the black, or the gray, and the red. Here are two more runners with the polycap. It has a yellow, the white, some gray, and the blue on this side. Oh. I was hoping the V-fin was going to be yellow, but looks like it's just white and I have to paint it. And the last two runners, the Sky Grasper, which, they gave it a light blue. That means I have to paint it white and paint the other colors. And, well, it's a baby blue, not light blue. And then, got the red parts and the shield. I'm going to have to paint it as well. So I guess that's what an SD kit is. Not too many parts. So here's the back of each. Looks like it'll be fun. So here's the info as to how to set up the Ale Strike, Sword, excuse me, Sword Strike, and Launcher Strike, and the Sky Grasper. And here it is with all the weapons. Sorry. And that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.